Let's do most simple steps. Yeah. Most simple steps in salsa, which you can do together right away. Let's do it. Most simple steps in salsa you can dance right away for absolute beginners. So number one, we start with the basic step. So how to dance basic steps? So it's basically 3 steps. So for the followers, we start with the right foot back, with the for leaders, left foot forward. So do basic 1, 2, 3. This is half basic. Now second half, leaders right foot back, for the followers, left foot forward. 5, 6, 7. So this is basic step 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic steps 5, 6, 7. So the next step is basically we're going to do exactly the same, but instead of going forward and back, we're going to go side to side. Looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it together. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's combine those steps together. So basic, back and forward. We're going to do 2 times each. And now side to side basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So next one is going to be the last one is a cumbia basic. So we go with the left leg, we go back, replace together, right, replace together. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now let's combine those 3 steps together. 1, 2, 3, back and forward, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, side to side. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cumbia basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's do it with the music. Yeah.
Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. La neta me ha ido mal y no sé cómo aliviarme. La neta me ha ido mal y no sé cómo aliviarme. Tengo que salir de aquí, aunque sea un paraíso, el pueblo donde nací. Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. Tengo que salir de aquí, no tengo pa' dónde darle. La neta me ha ido mal y no sé cómo aliviarme. La neta me ha ido mal y no sé cómo aliviarme.
That's it. That's it. Let me. Yeah, good for now. Yeah, I will edit.
Does it take a long time to edit, or you put it fast?
Yeah, take 20 minutes because I edit and upload at the same time, so it takes a little bit. Yeah, because it's a longer videos.